Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of savory green onion oil braised chicken wings. Let's jump right in. To kick things off, gather your star players, some succulent chicken wings, and a bunch of fresh green onions. Drop those chicken wings into a pot of chili water, crank up the heat, and fish them out when they show off their new colors. Next up, let's prep those green onions. Chop them into segments and keep a bit aside for a fine dice later. Then slice up some ginger. Heat up a splash of oil in the pot, toss in those green onion segments and ginger slices. Give them a little dance over low heat until the green onions get a golden glow. Now, introduce the star of the show, our blanched chicken wings. A quick stir until they're kissed by a hint of gold. Then add the light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, cooking wine, and a sprinkle of sugar. Mix it up and pour in a generous half bowl of water. Crank up the heat, let it dance into a boil. Once that broth gets thick and cozy, turn off the heat. Sprinkle our reserved chopped green onions over those wings. And voila! Green onion oil braised chicken wings is served! Don't just watch, give this recipe a whirl and tell me your thoughts. Thanks a bunch for hanging out and catch you in the next one.